Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Mishra, Dr. Chauhan, all my friends and everybody else who is present here. A very good afternoon to all of you. It will not be an exaggeration if I tell you that this course here has been a dream come true for me. I must have heard about this course almost maybe 3 to 4 years back from one of my friends who did the diploma here. Then I went to the website, I read about Dr. Mishra, I watched a few videos on YouTube, and since then I have been dreaming of doing it. But somehow things kept on getting postponed. Either job constraints or family matter. And all these years I was in fact waiting for my children to grow up. And then came the big realization that my children are never going to grow up. So it had to be either now or never. And so I made up my mind, and that is why I am here. And now that I have accomplished my dream, I would like to, borrowing an anonymous author's comment, I would like to thank Dr. Mishra from the bottom of my heart. But for you, sir, my heart is no bottom. That has been the influence or effect that you had on me. And I feel extremely privileged that I've got the chance to learn from such a dedicated, patient, caring, and what to say, I would like to refer to him as a link to the technical know-how of anything or everything under the sky. He has got a very, amazing way of explaining things, explaining complex scientific facts by relating it to day-to-day events. And I enjoyed the way he brought in husband-wife relation to explain the electrosurgical dissection. And quoting his own words, he keeps saying, this is a simple thing. Once you master it, then sky is the limit for you. And now, sir, you have taught us the basics of laparoscopy and all the essential skills. Now, sky is the limit for us. And it all depends on how we make the move. And I know, sir, you are somewhere up there near to the sky, and I am a few feet above the earth. But I can assure you that I am on my way up sometime in the future to catch up with you. And regarding Dr. Chauhan, sir, it's often mentioned that a good teacher is the one who makes himself accessible to the students and whom the students think as approachable. And we have no doubt that Dr. Chauhan belongs to that category of teachers. You never feel inhibited if you have to go to him for a doubt to seek some extra help. And he gives you individual attention. He knows each one of us by our name, and he gives us personal feedback. And I would like to thank you, sir, so much for that. And also for your kind words. At some point, you helped me to lift up my mood. You know that, sir. And coming to our local favorites, Shivlal, Motin, Yash, Chandan. I call Shivlal when I am really desperate. Either the needle, I've lost the needle, I can't see, the camera vision is not good. At the moment he comes here, he tells you, Madam, don't worry, I am here, no? And that immediately that reminds you of that Amir Khan's words, all is well. And no doubt things become well when he is around. And Yash has a different style. He comes to you, gives you a stern look and asks you, Lakshmi Madam, what is the problem? So he makes you think, and for the first time you realize that it is not your instrument defect, it is something related to your technique. And he ensures that you learn the right technique. That has been how they have been guiding us. Thank you so much for all your help, and Yash has always been quiet. And about this course would not have been a success if not for the excellent accommodation facilities we had here in the World Laparoscopy, our Imperial Hotel. The front desk had been extremely helpful. Whenever we approached them with a problem, they had an immediate solution for that. And even the people, the boys in the kitchen, took care to take care of us. And last but not the least, all my friends here, thank you so much for creating such a friendly learning environment. I'd like to conclude saying that this course, in terms of money, it is worth every penny spent. And in terms of knowledge and skills, I am a knowledge-hungry person, very difficult to attain satiety. But at this point, for once, I can say that I am full and I can afford to starve for a while. And thank you, and I would definitely recommend this course to all knowledge-craving people. Thank you so much. Sorry, I'm Dr. Lakshmi. I'm a gynecologist. I come from Kerala in India.